Guys, so here is the finishing results of this one outfit that I was working on, guys. And I turned off the light so you guys can see this beautiful, beautiful, beautiful red color. So it is 3 pieces, if you guys see. It is a tube top and the leggings, guys, and the little jacket that goes over it. And I put these little tassels, but you know, it's not made, you don't have to close it. It's kind of, you know, so if I do tie it, it'll kind of be like that, guys. So this is the finishing result. So guys, if you want to make this, this will be video number 2, the finishing, guys. Follow that other one. Look at him. Come on, you just got to get in the camera. What you want to tell him? Come on. Come on. Gino wants to say hi. You say hi, Gino? Okay, Gino wants to say hi every time. He wants to show off his butt and show you guys. So, guys, this is the finishing results. And I hope you guys like it. And it has this type of pattern on it. So, guys, thank you guys so much. You guys have an awesome day and awesome sewing, guys. Bye-bye. Okay, guys, here are a couple still shots of the outfit. And, guys, remember, just take a shirt, follow the video before, and you guys can make this too at home. So, guys, thank you so much. Remember, you can make it in any color you like. If you're not a fan of white, red, blue, green, whatever, make what you like. But this is inspired by Lovely Wholesalers. Thank you, guys. Have an awesome sewing. Bye-bye.